Hi guys, I am just preparing a quilt and I want to show you how I stop my quilt backing from moving on me. Okay, so this is my quilt backing, and while it's on the floor, I do give it a bit of a press. So I bring my iron down and also my ironing board, which is this, that actually needs replacing. I made it a long time ago. So I get the board and I'll slip it underneath the quilt backing, and I will just lightly press down on the quilt backing just to iron some of them creases out. So I obviously just need to straighten these corners up on this backing. So there we go, we have our quilt backing on the floor and it's all straight and it's pressed as much as I can press it. Okay, so this is going to be your secret weapon, painter's tape. You'll be able to find this at the dollar store, sometimes they sell it there, but you are always going to find it at your home hardware store. Painter tape is a little bit less stickier than masking tape, and I have hardwood flooring, so I want to make sure that I'm not sticking anything too sticky down because I don't want to peel off any of that paint off my hardwood flooring. So let's get sticking. I'm going to place the painter's tape all the way along the edges of the quilt backing. So once you've got your painter's tape stuck to the floor of your hardwood floor, don't walk away from it because this stuff will get sticky over time. Like, you don't want this to be stuck to your floor for months or not even a day, if I'm honest. You want to be working with this right as you are ready to quilt all your layers of your quilt together. So now your quilt backing is on the floor and it's not going to move on you. It's not going anywhere. You can now lay your quilt batting on top of that. Now that I have my batting on top of my backing, I am able to cut it all to the same size. I like to have my backing the same size as the batting, and then I want the quilt top to be slightly smaller than the two. Isn't it just nice when you have supervisors supervising you while you're doing your quilt? So that is how you stop your quilt backing from moving on you while you're trying to prepare your quilt sandwich. I hope this video has been informative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.